Hello and welcome to Online Education 8. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can create a Facebook prepaid ad manager. We know Facebook advertising is the number one and world famous marketing tools. You can promote your business or product or service on Facebook using Facebook ad manager in paid. Okay, so if you want to start your paid promotion on Facebook advertising, then you need to create Facebook ad manager. Facebook has two type of ad manager. One is postpaid and number two is prepaid. In this tutorial we will learn how we can create a prepaid Facebook ad manager. So further any delay, let's get begin. Okay, first you need to log in on your Facebook account. This is my Facebook account. I am already logged in. Okay, and you need a Facebook page. We know how can create a Facebook page. Okay, so this is my Facebook page, Online Education 8, and I'm clicking here. After clicking the page, you will be entered on your requested Facebook page. So this is the page, and now I'm interested to boost my post. This is our last post about Facebook promotion, and this is the post about Facebook postpaid ad manager. And now we are going to learn how can create Facebook prepaid ad manager. So this is the post I want to boost. Okay, so I'm clicking here, boost post. Okay, we know that when we start advertising on Facebook and the first time, we need to accept their terms and condition and advertising privacy and policy. Once you break the Facebook advertising privacy policies, then your ad account will be get suspended. Okay, so be careful about using Facebook ad manager, and be careful about your product and service which you want to promote on Facebook. So I'm clicking here accept button. Okay, 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 okay. So those in my I'm trying to show you. Okay, here is a lot of text in my image. So Facebook automatic verification tools actually suggest me that maybe you need to send a manual request to approve the ad, but maximum time it's get approved automatically. So we have no worry about this process. So I'm clicking the boost button. Okay, this is the message. Okay, so I'm ignore this message, ignoring. Okay, you can create your audience. I mean, you can select your target using edit button or create a new audience. So I'm not interested to change the target audience, and you can choose your placement. It's automatically placed on Facebook, Instagram or others. And now you can you need to choose your budget. So here is a BTT, that means Bangladeshi Taka, but I'm interested to create my ad manager on USD currency. So here is the Bangladeshi Taka. I need to change. I am USD. I'm selecting here from the currency option. Okay, USD. And now I need to choose my budget. I'm choosing here 2 USD. Okay, and 1 day. Okay, this ad will be run for 1 day. Okay, selected one day. You can choose here 1 day or 2 days, 3 days. So okay, 2 days, and $1 per day will be cost on this advertising. So actually our budget has been set. Now I need to click on the boost button. I don't know why the preview is not here. Maybe there is a network problem or others Facebook tools problem. Okay, so I'm clicking here boost button. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now we need to enter our payment method. That means the card number or card details. So actually Facebook prepaid ad manager and postpaid manager depend on the card details. Okay, once you input here the prepaid card, then your ad manager will be go on the Facebook prepaid ad manager, or once you use credit card, then your Facebook ad manager will be go on the postpaid ad manager. Okay, so in this process we will use the Netlr virtual mastercard. Okay, so this is my Netlr card. I'm copy the number and entering here. Okay, now we need to click the expiry date. Okay, this is the CVC 322. Okay, 322 is the expire date, and this is the CVC. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. Those who have Netlr account, there are so many client has been purchased UK verified and Germany verified Netlr account from us, and if you really want to promote your product on Facebook in paid, then the prepaid ad manager is best for you, because you want to post on Facebook, you want to pay on Facebook, and you can promote your product and services on Facebook in paid. And Facebook prepaid ad manager is so fast, and it's run the ad instantly after the approved. Okay, actually once you like to pay on Facebook, then Facebook prepaid ad manager is best choice for you. So I'm clicking the continue button. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now Facebook asking us to add the money on Facebook prepaid ad manager. Okay, I'm taking a screenshot. For my blog. Okay, you know that I need to post an article in our website, so I'm taking a screenshot. Now we need to click on the continue button. Okay, and those we choose $2 only in our campaign, so here we need to pay 2 USD on the ad manager. So I'm taking another screenshot. Okay, now we need to click the preview payment. Okay, and here is no transaction fee. We need to pay $2 and final balance will be $2. Okay, so here is no transaction fee. Okay, now I'm clicking the make payment button. Okay, it's loading. Okay, successfully we have successfully paid $2 on Facebook for our advertising. and this balance will be added on the Facebook ad manager. So I'm clicking OK. This ad now in the review, and once the ad will be approved, then the ad will be run as soon as after the approval. So I'm clicking on the close button, and we can reload the page. I'm reloading this page. It's loading slowly actually. So this is the process to create a Facebook prepaid ad manager. Once you need Facebook prepaid ad manager, you can contact with us. By the way, why you should use actually Facebook prepaid ad manager? Okay, suppose Facebook has been suspended your postpaid ad manager. We know that when Facebook suspend our ad manager, in the same time the credit card also suspended from Facebook. You cannot use your credit card which is associated with your postpaid ad manager next time on the Facebook ad account. Okay, but you can use the same credit card on your prepaid ad manager. So this is the big opportunity. In the same time, we can collect some credit card from many sources, and you can people are interested to buy the carding card, I mean hacking cards. So many websites providing this type of card, and you can use that card on your prepaid Facebook ad manager, and Facebook will never ask you for the card verification or the funding source. Okay, so Facebook prepaid ad manager is very easy to use, and it's very easy to top up, okay, using any type of. Thank you for creating your first step. Your ad is now in review. Thanks for making payment on those who have make a payment on Facebook ad manager. So this is the message. Okay, so here is the advertising option, that is our ad is in review, because we have boost this post. Now we need to go on the home button, and we can see here our ad manager will be added. Here is the ad manager. I'm clicking here. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I'm taking time. Actually I'm trying to create this video in details, so please give me time. Once you are new in our channel, then please subscribe us. Your subscription will be inspire us to make new videos in new topics. So now I am in the ad manager. Okay, and this is the post title which we have boosted, and delivery in review. So now you can go your billing information, okay, by clicking on the drop down menu, and here is the billing. I'm clicking here. Okay, billing page will be loaded. So here is a transaction that we have fund $2 on our ad manager, and this is the prepaid balance. Prepaid balance has been $2. Okay, you can go the manage payment setting. I'm clicking here. Okay, so this is 16 March 2019, and to have $2 available balance in our ad manager, and this is the prepaid balance is $2. That is the prepaid balance. You can add money by clicking on the add money button. Okay, okay, this is the MasterCard we have entered it, and you can continue. and we can also select our payment. Suppose you want to add $1 on your ad manager. This is the minimum limit, and maximum limit I have no idea what is the maximum limit, but maybe you can top up in any amount on Facebook. Okay, so once Facebook suspended your prepaid ad manager, you can get back your fund on your card. Suppose once Facebook suspended our ad manager, and we have $2 in our prepaid balance, and once we submit a query on Facebook team to refund your money on your card, they will be refund your money on your card. Okay, so we have no audit about the prepaid balance, actually available balance. We can get our balance refund from Facebook. So this is another topic. I will try to make a video about these topics in the next time. So this is the process. You can create a Facebook prepaid ad account using Netliner Mastercard or others prepaid Mastercard. So hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if new in our channel, please subscribe us. Or if you have any question about this video, then please leave your question in our comment section. We will try to reply your question as soon as possible. And the same time, if you want Facebook prepaid ad manager, then you can buy it from us. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video and the new topics. Till then, take care and be safe. Bye bye.